The Department of Justice released thousands of documents on Friday related to Jeffrey Epstein, the convicted sex offender whose powerful connections have fueled years of controversy. According to Associated Press News, this marks a significant step towards transparency, though lawmakers say it's far from complete. For those unfamiliar with the case, Jeffrey Epstein was a wealthy financier who built relationships with billionaires, politicians, and royalty. Behind this facade, he sexually abused underage girls for years. The investigation began in 2005 when Palm Beach police started looking into Epstein after a 14-year-old girl's family reported abuse at his mansion. The FBI joined, gathering testimony from multiple underage girls. Despite overwhelming evidence, Epstein received a controversial deal, pleading guilty only to state charges and serving just 18 months. The lenient sentence raised serious questions about whether his powerful connections protected him. One accuser, Virginia Giuffre, claimed Epstein arranged sexual encounters for her starting at age 17 with powerful men including Britain's Prince Andrew. All denied the allegations. Virginia Giuffre tragically died by suicide in April at age 41. Epstein was arrested again in July 2019 on federal sex trafficking charges. Just over a month later, he was found dead in his Manhattan jail cell. His death, ruled a suicide, sparked conspiracy theories about whether he was killed to protect powerful figures. On November 19th, President Trump signed the Epstein Files Transparency Act, giving the DOJ 30 days to release the files. The law permits redactions for victim protection, but prohibits withholding documents due to embarrassment or political sensitivity. According to Associated Press News, Friday's release included nearly 4,000 files, though authorities acknowledged to Congress this isn't complete. More disclosures are expected by year's end. The vast majority, about 80%, were FBI search photos from Epstein's Manhattan townhouse and his Virgin Islands property. The DOJ's redaction process was extensive. According to documents obtained by the Associated Press, over 200 Justice Department lawyers reviewed the files. 187 lawyers from the National Security Division determined what could be released, while 25 attorneys formed a quality control team to protect victim identities. The Justice Department redacted several categories: victim information, child abuse materials, content jeopardizing ongoing investigations, images of death or abuse, classified national security data, and attorney-client privileged information. Significantly, the DOJ revealed that more than 1,200 people were identified as Epstein victims or their family members. All references to their names and identifying materials were removed. The files include photos of President Trump with Epstein from February 2000 at Mar-a-Lago before their friendship ended. Photos also show former President Bill Clinton on a private plane and in a pool with Ghislaine Maxwell. It's important to note that neither Trump nor Clinton has been accused of wrongdoing, and inclusion in investigation files doesn't imply guilt. However, lawmakers are frustrated. Democratic Representative Ro Khanna, who co-sponsored the legislation with Republican Thomas Massie, called the release disappointing. Democratic Senator Jeff Merkley accused the Trump administration of illegally disregarding the law he championed in the state. The White House defended the release, claiming the Trump administration has done more for victims than previous administrations. The administration initially opposed further releases. In July, the DOJ determined no more disclosure was warranted, angering conservatives and prompting Congress to mandate the release. At the center of this story are more than 1,200 victims who have waited years for justice. The Justice Department promises more files by year's end, but lawmakers demand a clear timeline for complete transparency. This case raises fundamental questions about power and accountability. How did a convicted sex offender maintain connections to world leaders? Why did he receive lenient treatment? What remains hidden in unreleased files? Epstein's victims and the Americans deserve nothing less than the complete truth. Time will tell if genuine transparency wins out or if political calculations keep protecting influential figures from accountability. With Srijita Sen Majumdar, Bureau Report, India Today Global.